Hanap nyo ba ay garantisado at murang services? Dito lang yan sa Babes Aesthetic Beauty Lounge. Located at Purok 3, Kanipaan, Barangay Nursery, Masbate. Beside at Eagle Grills Restaurant. Lahat ng pampaganda na hinahanap nyo ay andito na sa Babes Aesthetics Beauty Lounge. One of the beautiful place is spa services. Shine bright in the diamonds. Very beautiful chandelier lights and very beautiful queen chairs, and also available Class A fashion bags, cosmetics beauty products, original signature Class A fashion dresses katulad ng instant body lotion, Christian Paris bags, and slippers, Louis Vuitton, Coach, at marami pang iba. And also available is spa offer services, manicure pedicure, nail gel, nail extension, DIY design, magaling magserbisyo, handle with care, salon services, hair rebond, hair Brazilian, hair color, highlighter with treatments. Mapapawaw talaga kayo sa ganda ng services nila. Dito lang yan sa Babe Aesthetics Beauty Lounge. At hindi lang yan, talagang marirelax pa kayo kapag andito kayo sa loob ng spa. Dahil sa ganda, katulad na nga lang ng upuan nila. Malinis at garantisado pa. At marami na rin silang regular client na balikbayan na. At meron din sila ditong promo services every weekend. Halina't at subukan ang kanilang magandang services. Talagang mapapawaw kayo sa kanilang esthetician, beautician, at nail technician. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na at magpaganda na. Dito lang yan sa Babes Aesthetics Beauty Lounge. And also available facial treatment, Hydra Facial, Diamond Peel, Carbon Laser, and Baby Glow Whitening Face, Underarm Whitening, Hair Removal Waxing, Stomach RF, Hypo 7D, and also available eyelash extension, and also special offer relaxing signature body massage, back massage, head massage, foot and hand massage, handle with NC2 license, professional therapist, and also available Glota Drip Whitening Skin. Talagang marirelax kayo dito dahil maganda ang kanilang place. At pwede kayo dito magpa-picture selfie para sa picture memories. O diba, saan pa kayo dito makakita ng ganitong kagandang spa na para kayong nasa ibang bansa na? Kaya tara na kasama ang buong pamilya at barkada. Treat yourself, be a beautiful dream. Eto na ang sagot ng inyong kagandahan. Mura na at garantisado pa. Kaya what are you waiting for? Tara na at magpaganda. Dito lang yan sa Babes Aesthetics Beauty Lounge. Contact and book now for your reservation schedule. Tara na!